So dear cadets, good morning. So we are in the forest chapter. Yesterday I taught you forest as a dynamic living entity. So I hope that you have already got that one. Now today I am teaching you forest as a green lungs. Okay, just try to understand. Forest is considered to be the green land, means lungs for human being. How? Just say. Just you tell me what is the function of lungs in human body. In human body, lungs is the body organ which is responsible for the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen gas. Am I correct or not? Just try to understand. Because when we breathe in oxygen gas, means oxygen gas will go inside the lungs. Okay, when we breathe out, carbon dioxide gas will come out. So lungs is the organ, body organ, which is responsible for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide gas. Am I correct or not? Yes. Similarly, forest, they are known as green lungs. Why they are known as green lungs? Because they are the places where oxygen and carbon dioxide gas is exchanged. How? Just see. Forest means group of so many trees, plants. So all plants, because of the photosynthesis, release oxygen gas. Okay, that oxygen gas will be taken by the human being in their respiration. Now in respiration, all human being means animals, they will release carbon dioxide. So in course of photosynthesis, same carbon dioxide will be absorbed by the forest. That is why forest is known as green lungs, because they are, one hand they are evolving the oxygen gas, other hand they are consuming, they are absorbing the carbon dioxide gas which has been evolved by the animals by the process of respiration. So I wrote here, plants release oxygen through photosynthesis and make balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide. Since lungs, see, plants release oxygen through photosynthesis and make balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide. Since lungs in human body is the place where oxygen and carbon dioxide gas is exchanged, similarly forest is the place where oxygen and carbon dioxide gas is exchanged. That is why they are known as green lungs. Now here you can enrich this sentence. Plants release oxygen through photosynthesis and absorb carbon dioxide, and just write here, absorb carbon dioxide gas which is released in respiration. Please add this sentence here, which is released in respiration. Okay, plants release oxygen through photosynthesis and absorb carbon dioxide gas which is released in respiration. Hence they make balance between, please add this, released in respiration, hence they make balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide. Correct? Please, that sentence should be added. So they make balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide. Since lungs in human body is the place where oxygen and carbon dioxide gas is exchanged, similarly forest is the place where oxygen and carbon dioxide gas is exchanged. That is why they are known as green lungs. I hope that you have got this one. Now, so this aspect of this chapter is completed. Now there is one more thing, role of forest in controlling floods. Okay, try to understand. Flood is devastating factor in human life. Just see, this year only everywhere heavy rainfall took place, and because of that heavy devastation took place in our surrounding. There is a killing of so many animals, there is a loss of public property, entire crops have been washed away. Do you know what is the, who can control the flood? There are two fellow who can control the flood. One is God and another one is the forest. So what we can say, forest is equivalent to God on earth. Okay. Question is how they will control the flood. Just check here. Try to understand, wherever forest is there, their dry leaves, their dry fruits, they will be fallen down or not. So there would be a layer of vegetation, okay, on the forest soil. So forest act as a natural absorber of rainwater and allows it to seep. Okay, forest acts as natural absorber of rainwater and allows it to seep. Correct or not? So how? Just see, wherever forest is there, so these layer would be there. So whenever rainwater is there, they will absorb that one. Okay, so when it absorbs, it allows it to seep. It allows it to seep. Then what is there? Chances of flood will be reduced or not. Second one, the root system helps water to seep down in the ground. The root system helps water to seep down in the ground. Just see, wherever root system is there, then what would be there? Root system will penetrate down the soil. So when rainfall is there, with the help of those root system, water will go down. So chances of flood will be reduced or not. What is the flood? Flood is, what is the flood? Flood is the state in which entire earth is submerged with water, overflow of water. Overflow of water. Why overflow of water is there? Because those water cannot be percolate down to the soil. And now if forest or plants are there, so with the help of their root system, it will percolate down and the chances of flood will be less. Okay, so root system is helping. Another one, the closed canopy and many layers of vegetation slow down the speed of raindrops. Hence erosion of soil can be avoided. Just try to understand. The see, canopy meaning I told you or not, the branches of trees, they form roof like structure over another plant. So when heavy rainfall is there, so heavy rainfall speed can be slowed down by the canopy and many layers of vegetation. Slow down. The speed of raindrops will be slowed down, hence erosion of soil can be avoided. And the chances of flood can also be avoided. Just see, if the speed of water will be less, then what would be there? What would be there? Directly it will not fall on the surface of earth. Even if it is falling, so slowly and slowly it will fall down. So all of a sudden there would not be the collection of huge amount of water. So not only soil erosion can be avoided, the chances of flood can also be avoided if enough number of trees are there in our surrounding, or if forests are there in our surrounding. So in this way, forest is helping to minimize the chances of flood. Okay. So dear cadets, now these things are also completed. Now note down some questions. Yesterday also I told you question. Now today again I am telling you. So today just only 2 questions I will tell, because the portion enough I have completed. So there is no need to problem area. Just keep completing the things. Now question number first. What is the question number first? Why are forest known as green lungs? Why are forests known as green lungs? Question number 1. Question number 2. Write the role of forest. Write the role of forest in controlling the flood. Write the role of forest in controlling the flood. Okay, so just this question answer you write. Now as far as this unit is concerned, almost things are going to be completed. Only 1 or 2 more questions are left. So tomorrow I will deal with all those things. In this way only one thing will be left, that is the NCERT exercise. So one by one all those exercise also I will complete. 3, 3, 4, 4 exercise, and in between some revision video also I will give you. And try to understand, now portion already I have shared in your WhatsApp group. So chapter number 1 to 9 only will come. Okay, and the pattern of question paper also very soon I am going to announce. So please keep preparing. Thank you. I hope that clarity is there.